Hello, in today's video, I will introduce you a simplest and straightforward process to install multiple softwares in your Windows PC at once. Actually, you don't need to download all the softwares one by one and then install them. That is a tedious process and it can take hours and hours. So there is a very simple way to download and install all the softwares that you need at once. Okay, there is a website called Ninite. Okay, if you open this website ninite.com, what you will see is a list of multiple softwares that you can download from. Okay, let's say in my case I want to install Brave web browser plus what we can do is I may need Putty, and after that let me select one more. Okay, let's go for Zoom. I have chosen three. I have check marked the three options on the three softwares: Brave web browser, Zoom for messaging and meeting, and then Putty from developer tools. Okay, let's click on this get your Ninite, and you are prompted to select the location where you want to download this setup. Let's go for the desktop option. Here the file has been downloaded. Let's go to desktop. Here is the setup. Let's see if it works or not. Yes, it's downloading Brave. Let me show you, we don't have these softwares already installed in our PC. So let's go to Window, Control Panel, and from here we can check if the software is installed in our PC or not. You see, we don't have a Brave browser installed in our system. Same is the case with Zoom. We don't have Zoom or Putty installed in our system. If you click on this show details option, you will see the status of each the software that you have selected to download. You will see the status of all the softwares that you are downloading and installing. This tool actually installs and downloads multiple softwares at once. Just like in my case, you can see the Brave is installing, the Brave web browser is installing. Meanwhile, the Zoom is downloading. Okay, and the Putty is in the process of installation also, but it is waiting for the installation. So the downloading and installation of multiple software will take place at once, which will save your time and efforts, obviously. Two of the softwares, the download and installation of two of the softwares has been completed. Zoom, the third software, that is Zoom, is still installing. You can see these icons on the desktop. Brave browser has been added, the Putty has been downloaded, installed, and the shortcut has been added on the desktop. Same goes for Zoom. So you can see the status finished here in Ninite. Thanks to Ninite for such a seamless and effortless installation. You can download and install even tens of softwares at once. So thanks to Ninite. I hope you find this video helpful. Please support by hitting the like button or subscribing.